Make sure the seat you're in is comfy because you're now locked in to JTEX Official TV.
Sir!
Where you want, my youth? Where you want? You call me name so far?
No, don't know, say something good or want, man. No, not today.
No, finish, now. Fin.
I must do this. No, but that tell me say sell off. Because right now my neurons acting up.
Youth, they say sell off. Wisdom get the last. I saw it, me bro.
Can't believe say sell off. One me can never call me and tell me say done.
Yo, me sorry say sell off. Speed God, they a road, a forward with some.
But if you don't plan no push and you a dealer.
When me fi plant, you lick your head earlier.
Talk some before me shot you in as clear as.
Pocket a forward, puff this, juvie relax.
So you go on, you love me, make me favor idiot.
Yo, me just get a note from Speed God.
Tell me what's the ETA, where him reach at.
Juicy Potatoes, cause him stomach been a run bad.
Tell him to bring a dozen patties and a cocoa bread.
That's the last seat and all the merches them.
You say stomach so the freak a catch diarrhea.
Yes, from ever since you miss some of your mother dinner.
True me nice, me not gonna tell you about your blood clot.
Your Alzheimer's make you a little bit dumb dog.
Where your shop smell rank like a Keisha salad.
Why you know how you smell? You been a taste vagina.
It's a figure of speech, where you take me for.
Your words are properly dressed like them a lawyer.
I couldn't lie, you a call me dirty John Crow.
Full time they talk up until we chop you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and touch the subscribe button.